Hello, I'm Abby Saeed. I'm Montana State University Extension Horticulture Specialist, and today we're going to be talking about abiotic issues that affect our yard and garden plants. Abiotic issues are plant symptoms that are caused by environmental factors and other non-living factors that can impact the overall health and longevity of your plants in your landscapes. In Montana, we have a lot of temperature extremes, especially at the end of the season and at the start of our growing season. And these late fall and early spring frost and cold spells can wreak havoc on your landscape plants, especially those that are not as hardy or slightly more tender than others. Other factors that can cause abiotic symptoms in your plants can include soil nutrient availability and uptake, and this can be affected by your soil pH in addition to potential soil nutrients that may or may not be available in your landscape. This usually shows up on trees and shrubs as symptoms that look like yellowing, which is called chlorosis, where you have the darker green veins present on the trees and a discoloration outside of that in that interveinal tissue. Other abiotic symptoms can be caused by human error. This can result from mechanical injury to your trees and shrubs caused by things like lawnmowers and weed whackers, or it can be caused by our errors in planting trees in the wrong environment and also planting trees the wrong way. So if you're planting your landscape trees and shrubs too deeply, this can cause things like girdling roots, which will constrict that flow of moisture and nutrients inside that tree. Other practices such as watering your landscape trees and shrubs, especially during critical times, can also potentially lead to abiotic symptoms. If you're not watering enough, especially in the hot and dry weather of the midsummer, or if you don't water well into the fall where trees need those water stores to get through that winter season, this can result in drying out of your trees and shrubs, especially your evergreen trees, because they will transpire still. They will still be exchanging air and still be transpiring over the course of the winter and utilizing those water stores much faster than they can be picking them up out of a frozen ground.